Hey everyone, I'm here on Roby Street. Roby Street is located between 54 and 53rd and Warrington. On Warrington, this is the street. I'm here to show you this beautiful three-bed, three-bath house with a finished basement. This is Warrington. The next street over there is Springfield Street. So the house I'm about to show you is this. It's a beautiful corner house with a nice private yard, and also you have your back front space. This is what the outside looks like, and when you go up to the porch, you have this beautiful stone tile. Nice. You get plenty of parking in the area, a lot of parking space. Very quiet, nice residential area. Let's go inside and show you what the inside looks like. Here, as you walk in, you have this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, plenty of windows for a natural light. And you have this open kitchen with plenty of cabinet space, upgraded countertop, you have a dishwasher, oven, built-in microwave. Beautiful place. The place gets a lot of natural light, as you could see. This door takes you to the finished basement, and there is a door by the kitchen that takes you to the outside. That's the storm door. So as you walk out, this is a beautiful fenced yard. You could set your dining table here, chair and dining table, and have a nice fresh air, or you could have a place for your summertime barbecue. Going back to the house, I will show you the basement later. I'm gonna go up to second floor to show you the 2-bed and the 2-bath. So as you climb up the steps, the place, as you could see, has beautiful hardwood floor throughout. This is the hallway bathroom, the front primary bedroom. Has this nice windows, recessed lights throughout. As you could see, have plenty of natural light. This is where we were earlier outside, and that is Roby Street. And this is the view. You have a primary bath here, and your closet in the primary bedroom, closet space. This door. Here is your beautiful primary bath. You have tile floor, tile wall, window for fresh air. You have beautiful bathtub shower combo. You have a window here, beautiful medicine cabinet. You have a vanity here. Then you have this hallway closet also. And the second, the smaller bedroom, is this one. To walk in, you see, you also have big windows. Nice closet space. Then your hallway bathroom. You have your medicine cabinet on your right, toilet here, and the storage shower. Very nice. The last space I would like to show you is the finished basement, where you have big living space and also additional finished basement. I mean additional full bathroom. So let's go down. This is the steps. Go down. Here is the basement. You could see windows, plenty of windows, a lot of natural light here. I didn't even turn on the light to show you how good is the natural light here in the house. So this is space. This is the utility closet. I mean the HVAC system is here. The place has a central heat and a central air. That is it for you. A water boiler in here, tucked away. You also have laundry machines, dryer, and additional window here. Then the last place I would like to show you is the full bath. You have toilet here, shower, medicine cabinet, vanity. Nice space. This is what 1200 South Robin Street, a 3-bed, 3-bath house looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the house. I thank you for watching.